Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to show Google Drive suggestions in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click More. Look for the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the browser window. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Step 4. Click Sync and Google Services. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, locate and click on Sync and Google Services. Step 5. Turn on Show Google Drive Suggestions. In the Other Google Services section, find the option that says Show Google Drive Suggestions and toggle it on. By enabling this feature, you'll receive personalized suggestions from Google Drive while using Chrome. This can help streamline your workflow and provide quick access to relevant files and documents. Keep in mind that you'll need to have Google Drive synced with your Google account for this feature to work effectively. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to show Google Drive suggestions in Chrome on your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.